All right, I got the ANCEL M3 3-in-1 work light with the magnetic base. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's open this up and see what we get inside of here. Nice packaging on here. Very nice. See with the light itself. Little hook. We can use the hook it onto stuff. All right. And we have a USB charging cable. All right, so here's the light itself and a user manual that comes with it. First of all, this thing has a magnetic base. The first thing metal I could grab is this hole saw here. You can see that it magnetizes to this metal hole saw. It gives you 180-degree turning ratio on here. If that bit wasn't in the way. The light itself has a waterproof rating of IP6. You know, obviously you don't want to submerge it in water. You don't have to worry about it getting wet if you're working outside. It's got a little clip on here, probably for this little guy we could put on here. If we wanted to, if we wanted to hang it somewhere. So that's kind of cool. On the top here is a little rubber cap you can pull off. And once you get inside of there, you can see that the USB recharging port is right here, which is a USB Type-C recharging port. And if you needed to, when this thing's charged up, you can plug your own USB in here and actually charge a device off of it. So let's try that. We'll charge my phone and plug my phone plugged in, ready to go. And you can see that it's charging my phone. So how cool is that? It's equipped with LED lighting from 120 lumens to 1200 lumens. And the way you change it on the back here, you've got this up and down button. So you just press it and hold it. You can see that it's dimming it down, and there's 10 different settings you can go through. You've got to press and hold it though. So press and hold it down, and you can see it gets itself all the way up to 100%. If you press the power button just once in the back, it'll switch through 5 different lighting modes, like a soft light, a warm light, a red light, and a flashing red light. And you press it again, it takes you back to where you started. You press and hold it down, and it turns off. Pretty awesome. I like the fact that it's magnetic. It rotates 180 degrees. This would be great for working on a car. You can magnetize this to underneath of a hood maybe, or somewhere in a car, or in a shop. If you've got a workbench, some metal stuff on there, you can magnetize it to it. I might actually magnetize it over here on my stand and use it as a light. When I magnetize it this way, I've got 180 degrees this way, but if I turn it this way, now I've got light going left to right, which I kind of like that. I like that feature. And it's also got a little screw thing on the back so you can screw it onto a stand. See that a lot on camera stands. And it's pretty bright. You don't want to look right into this thing. If you're looking for a good, affordable, high-powered work light that's adjustable and magnetic, check out the ANCEL 3-in-1 LED work light. Check it out.